Hey, it's Steve. If you're a subscriber to this channel, you know I'm a big fan of sleep. Controlling it helped me stop the progression of MS and heal. Problem is, if you do an internet search on the subject, you'll find the same things over and over. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Take a melatonin supplement. Avoid blue light at night. They're good, but I wanted to see if there was something more I could do. So I went a little deeper. I ended at the science of sound. In particular, how the brain interprets sound during sleep. And what I found was that our brains like noise. Specifically, pink noise lowers brain complexity, which increases deeper sleep. And it's in those deeper stages the brain generates the most MS healing. So I wear a sleep mask at night. It's not just any old mask that blocks light. I bought one that has built-in speakers. But there's a trick to it. I like the design of it, the way it covers my eyes and makes it completely dark. But I don't like that it has bulky speakers. I'm a big fan of sleeping on my side, but the bulky speakers are rather uncomfortable when I roll over them. Let me show you what I did to fix the problem. The model I bought, which I think most are made like, are charged by USB. Let me grab a pair of scissors. I started by making the hole a little bit bigger. Next, I removed the old speakers and transmitter. Then I put in new speakers and transmitter from the Sleep Phone's Effortless headband. Even though the headband leaves much to be desired, they're the only one of its kind that I found. I love the speakers. They are soft, padded, and flat. Exactly what I want. This is what I did to make a hybrid of the two. The best of both worlds. I charge the mask every morning when I wake up. I use a mix of two sounds, pink and brown noise. But the sound is up to you. What I would recommend is trial and error for yourself. The ultimate goal is to heal. So if a car horn works for you, great. Go ahead. I know eventually you'll find what works.